Yeah, Brent, we've been in downtown Hartford all day, and as somebody who lives in downtown Hartford, it's been amazing to see how different the city feels and looks today. I mean, on a Sunday, usually streets, especially Pratt Street, are filled with people out shopping, out eating dinner, getting drinks. But today, there's almost nobody outside except for these amazing crews that have been working all day. However, we did want to run into one man who said that today, nothing was stopping him from getting in his steps. That's his big New Year's resolution. He is a big New Englander guy, and he said a little snow's not bothering him from getting his New Year's resolution in. Check this out. Talk to me a little bit about why you decided to take your daily walk today.
I have this mission for this year of trying to hit 13,000 steps a day, right? And so last year I wanted to hit 10,000 steps a day, and I hit like 11,000. And this year I'm like, I got to hit 13. So it's more of a discipline thing, just to.
Hey, maybe that's the New Englander in him. I haven't developed that trait yet. I'm a Southerner at heart, but this snowstorm has really showed how strong New Englanders are. They've been out here working. The crews have been working extremely hard, but the main thing they are telling us over and over again is if you do not have to get on the road, do not get on the road. Our news crew truck has gotten stuck several times in downtown Hartford. We had the amazing Hartford Fire Department have to take us out. So make sure you're making their lives easier and you're not going out unnecessarily. In downtown Hartford, Victoria Anderson, Fox 61.